In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to a Skool course. Adding images is a simple way to make your lessons clearer, more engaging, and easier for your students to follow. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step so you can confidently add visuals to any lesson inside your Skool classroom. First, head over to your Skool dashboard and log into your account if you're not already signed in. The dashboard is your main control center. This is where you'll see your communities, courses, and other tools. Take a second to make sure you're in the right community or workspace where your course is hosted. Once you're on the correct dashboard, look for the tab or menu item labeled Classroom. Go ahead and click on Classroom. This is where all of your courses and modules live. If you manage multiple courses, you'll see them listed here. Next, find the specific course you want to add images to. Click on that course to open it. Inside, you'll see your modules, lessons, or pages, depending on how you've structured your content. Navigate to the exact lesson or page where you want the image to appear. On that page, look for a small pen or pencil icon. This icon usually represents Edit. Click on the pen icon to open the editor for that specific page. Now you'll be in editing mode, where you can change text, formatting, and of course, add images. Inside the editor toolbar, look for the image icon. It usually looks like a small picture or landscape. Click on that image icon. When you do, Skool will open a window or prompt that lets you choose an image from your device. Now, select the image file you want to upload from your computer. This could be a screenshot, a diagram, a product photo, or any other visual that supports your lesson. Try to use clear, high-quality images and make sure the file size isn't too large so your pages load quickly for students. Once you've selected your image, Skool will upload it and insert it into the page. You can usually click and drag it to reposition it or adjust alignment if needed. When you're happy with how everything looks, scroll down and click on Save. After saving, your page will reload with the image embedded right where you placed it. That's all you need to do to add images to your Skool course.